Using data to evaluate learning outcomes. Using data to evaluate learning outcomes is an essential component of data-driven learning design. It involves the use of various data sources to measure the impact of instruction on students' learning and inform future instructional decisions. Here are some of the key considerations and strategies for using data to evaluate learning outcomes. 1. Determine learning objectives. The first step in using data to evaluate learning outcomes is to identify clear and measurable learning objectives. Teachers can align these objectives with the relevant curriculum standard and define how they will measure progress towards these objectives. Number 2, select data sources. Next, teachers should select appropriate data sources to measure progress towards the identified learning objectives. This may include assessments, surveys, observation data, and student work samples. 3. Collect data. Once data sources are selected, teachers must collect data to measure progress towards the learning objectives. This may include administering assessments or surveys, observing students in actions, or collecting work samples. 4. Analyze data. After collecting data, teachers should analyze it to identify patterns and trends in students' learning. They may use a variety of data analysis techniques, including descriptive statistics, data visualization, and inferential statistics. 5. Identify areas for improvement. Based on the data analysis, teachers should identify areas for improvement in their instructions. They may use this information to modify their teaching strategies and adjust the curriculum to better meet the needs of their students. 6. Monitor progress. Teachers should continually monitor progress towards the identified learning objectives and adjust their instructions as needed. This may involve collecting additional data, modifying assessment strategies, or providing additional support to struggling students. 7. Use data to inform instructional decisions. Finally, teachers should use the data collected to inform their instructional decisions. This may involve modifying their teaching strategies, adjusting the curriculum, or providing additional support to struggling students.